Ang mensahe ng past person mo, Pisces. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I am becoming a better person. I love you. So many things remind me of you. You came closer than anyone. I'm so attracted to you. Ang mensahe na para sa'yo. I don't have to fear my fear. I can use it as a way to get closer to love. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na wala kang dapat ikatakot. Gamitin mo yon ng may pagmamahal. Yung mga dumarating sa'yo na pagsubok is may mga kakapulutan ka dyan na lesson. Basta harapin mo lang ng tama